How are you guys doing? My name is Kevin and today I'm going to show you how to make chicken noodle soup in a crock pot. If you want a quick rundown on ingredients, we're going to need carrots, onion, garlic, celery, egg noodles, chicken broth, bay leaves, oregano, rosemary, and chicken breasts. All right, let's get right into it. Take one yellow onion, chop it up, and put it in the pot. There we go. Next, we're gonna take one clove of garlic, smash it up, chop it up, and throw it in the pot. I got a full bulb right here, so just pluck off one of those cloves. If you don't have fresh garlic, obviously you can just go buy like garlic powder and use that instead. All right, moving along, we're gonna add 1 cup of chopped up celery. I got my celery stalks right here, already washed. Chop those guys up. Toss that celery in the pot. The next step is we're gonna be adding a cup of carrots. Chop those up, put them in the pot. Next, we're gonna add 2 chicken breasts. Mine happen to be frozen, but yours can be thawed. Just use whatever you have. Next, we're gonna add 8 cups of chicken broth. Now there's a few different ways to make chicken broth. You can either boil a chicken carcass in water, add water, use chicken bouillon cubes. But today I'm going with a super simple route where it's you just buy the chicken broth like this and dump in 8 cups of that. Next, just add a little bit of salt and pepper. We're getting there, we're almost done. Now add 2 bay leaves. Add a pinch of oregano. And a pinch of rosemary. That wraps it up for the seasoning. Put the top on, let that cook on high for 4 hours or low for 8 hours. Once the soup is done cooking, pull out the chicken breasts, shred those up, pull them apart with a couple forks, put the chicken back in the soup, and then it's time to add your egg noodles. Today I have extra wide egg noodles. Those are pretty fancy.
Pretty good.
Once the soup is all done and ready to go, then add the noodles. Let those cook for about 15 minutes and then your soup is fully finished. I hope you guys like this recipe. And until next time, I will see you guys later.